Hi everyone, I just wanted to make this quick video for you to review all the fingerings for all the notes that we've learned so far on our flute. So what I'm going to do first is show you each of the notes on the staff so you kind of remember where they are in the lines and the spaces. And then I'll show you the fingerings for the notes and then I'll play the notes so you kind of get an idea. So the very first note we're going to do is the B flat. And the note B lives on the third line of the staff, right in the middle. To do the fingering for the B flat, in your left hand, you're going to use your thumb key, which if you look nice and closely, you're going to use this thumb key, the one that's on the bottom. And your pointer finger, and in your right hand, your pointer finger and your pinky. So this is the fingering for the B flat. Thumb and pointer in the left hand, pointer and pinky in the right hand, and it sounds like this. B flat. The next note I'd like to show you is the C note. The C note is a space note. It's in the third space because we count from the bottom to the top. So the C is in the third space. To play the note C, you use your left hand pointer. You do not push the thumb key down. And your right hand pinky only. So there are only two fingers down when you're playing the C note. Your left hand pointer and your right hand pinky. And it sounds like this. C. The next note I'd like to show you is the D note. Like B, it's a line note, but if you look at this carefully, you'll notice it's up on the fourth line. B was on the third line, D is on the fourth line. To do the D note, we'll start with our right hand first. You put all three fingers down in your right hand. You do not put your pinky down. In your left hand, put your thumb key back down, and now watch very carefully. I'm going to use my middle finger and my ring finger to push down on these two keys. So if you look in a row, you're going to skip 3 keys, put down your middle and your ring finger, so your pointer and pinky are up. These, you can also look at it that they're right next to this key that sticks out a little bit. That's where they go. Okay, so the right hand is all fingers except the pinky. And the left hand is your middle and your ring finger next to the key that sticks out. No pointer finger, no pinky. D. The next note is E flat. E is another space note. It's up on the top space, space number 4. The fingerings for E flat are quite simple. If you can go back to where you were for a D, all 3 fingers in the right hand, thumb, middle and ring finger in the left hand. Now push your pinky key down, and that makes E flat. And it sounds like this. E flat. The next one I'm going to show you is an F. F is another line note, all the way up at the top line. To play the F, put your thumb key down, put your pointer, your middle, and your ring finger down in the left hand. Now look carefully, I have a key skipped in between my pointer finger and my middle finger. That's very important to make sure you have that like that. In your right hand, put down your pointer finger and your pinky, and that's all you need for the right hand to play F. And F sounds like this. F. And the last note I want to show you is the G note. G is a little different from the other notes because it lives above the line. So it's right on the top line above it. To play the G note, you're going to put down your thumb, pointer, middle, and ring finger in the left hand, just like we started for the F, but in the right hand, only put your pinky down. And that's the note G with your thumb key. And just the 3 fingers. Don't forget to leave that space between your pointer finger and your middle finger. And it sounds like this. G. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold my flute right here and I'm going to review very quickly the notes in order, starting with B flat, just so you can look at my fingers. C, don't forget to take your thumb key off for the C. D, thumb keys back on. E flat, I add my pinky. F, put that pointer down. And then for G, I take my right hand pointer off. And now I'll go backwards. F, E flat, D, C, and I took my thumb off, and B flat. If you have any questions about any of these fingerings, don't be shy. Send me an email and I will be happy. Okay.